Hello everyone, like today I am here to present the RPF package and develop on a project called Cybersecurity Problems in Healthcare Data. And here is the introduction of the project. Here the what the out like the introduction of the project is the requirement to process like to develop an RPF aim for selecting the vendor and developing an IT system that will enhance cybersecurity in healthcare data management. And here is the object for the package, and further we have to like enhance the security and develop an IT system capable of defending against detecting and responding to cybersecurity threats in real time. And here the insurance compliance and the vendor selections and the importance of the project. Like here is the highlight the critical need for the improved cybersecurity measures and due to the increasing frequency and sophistication of cybersecurity targets. And here is the emphasis of the project and role in safeguarding patient information and maintaining trust. And if you go with next slide, and here is the background on the cybersecurity in health. Like there are some important features of the cybersecurity. For example, we got critical nature, regulatory compliance, and data breaches, and some challenges were there in the healthcare cybersecurity, like the complexity threats, and the threats are becoming more sophisticated, including ransomware, phishing, and threats. And if you go for the digital transformations, and as the healthcare continue digitalizing and the healthcare records and show, and here is the recent statistics we have in the last year, over 30% of the global attacks were done in the medical field. And here is the importance of the robust IT systems and their resilience, so many protective defenses. And here is the scope of an IT system. We have the system object and some key functionalities. Like if we discuss with key functionalities, the threat detection and responses and data encryptions and access controls and audit trails. If you go furthermore, like we have the integration capabilities, means which we can compatibility with some existing systems and scalability, maintenance support, and regular updates. And we have to maintain the technical team. So here the Deepak will continue.
So thank you, Sajid. From here, I'll start, and from the slide, we'll talk more about key stakeholder, internal stakeholder, which are internal IT department, healthcare provider, compliance and risks management teams, external stakeholder, potential IT system vendor, regulatory authorities, and roles and responsibilities. Overview of each stakeholder involvement in the project, from requirement gathering and system design to implementation and ongoing maintenance. Next slide, please. And then in this slide, we'll discuss about cyber security threats, impact of threats, cause studies of recent incidents illustrating the consequence of these threat on the healthcare operation and patients' privacy, and common threat like phishing, inside threats, data breach, and ransomware. Mitigation needs, why advanced IT systems are necessary to address these growing threats. And next is where we discuss about system requirements. And hardware requirements, software requirements. It is operating system and application software, and security requirements, encryption standard, compliance with regulation like GDPR and HIPAA, and next will be vendor qualification and experience in healthcare, like years of experience in this industry, technical expertise, which are specific technologies, compliance with cybersecurity practice, support and maintenance, ability of the support, SLIs and terms. Next, please. And next one, discuss about proposal submission guidelines and what kind of document formats will be starting, we should be using. And next will be like what are the different deadlines, specific date and timelines. And next will be required technical approach, budget estimation, project timeline, etc. So I'll pass it to my team Power.
Yeah, thanks Ajit and Deepak for briefing everything. So I'm going to start here. So this slide is all about budget estimation. And moving to the financial aspects to our project, we have estimated the total budget based on the scope and requirements. So the sources that align with our objectives, so we have already mentioned all the fundings and everything here. So we ensure that spending is allocated efficiently. I mean, across various projects. I mean, it's just in case they're considering it as a real project. So yeah, I mean, vendor experience 30%, and I mean, we just cast is 30%, technical solution 40%. So vendor experience 30%. So we just divided everything as per the consideration. So moving on to the next slide, please. And Sajid, can you move to the next slide? Deepak, can you hear me?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
can
I
hear.
think the budget.
Yeah. Sajid, can you move to the next slide? 13th slide. I mean, I can still see the 12th slide.
13th, bro. I think you're.
Okay, I guess my internet bad.
Yeah,
So yeah,
it's
yeah. I
13.
will open my presentation shows it. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, next let's discuss the potential risks such as technical challenges and project delays and budget overruns. So to manage these risks effectively, we have developed detailed migration strategies. These include contingency planning and regular project reviews and setting aside funds specially for unforeseen issues. Okay, so the next slide, please. Slide 14. So yeah, our project timeline is structured from the initial or RFP issued date through to the final vendor selection. So key dates include the proposal submission deadlines and through evaluation period. Concluding with the announcement of the winning vendor, this timeline ensured a systematic approach to managing the project progresses. Okay, so next slide, please. So yeah, this is about questions and answers and everything else. Anyway, we are in the online. We are recording online. So then, if you have any questions, you can ask. So there won't be any other audience, right? So if you have any questions, you can ask, or else yeah, we can move to the next slide.
Here is a
So yeah, these are all the
reference.
references that we have collected the data from all these references. So from starting to the ending. And yeah, that's all for this. So thank you for your attention and opportunity to present our project. Yeah.